you've made the difficult decision. It's time to file for divorce. The anxiety is real. You're worried about your kids, your home, and your future. But right now, the biggest threat to your future isn't your spouse. It's making a critical, emotional mistake before your case even gets to a judge. Whether your case is going to be heard downtown at the Richard J. Daley Center or at one of the suburban municipal districts like Skokie, Rolling Meadows, Maywood, Bridgeview, or Markham, the rules are specific and the stakes are high. Today, we are sharing the 5 most common and costly mistakes I see people make right here in Cook County when they decide to file for a divorce. Avoid these and you set yourself up for a fairer, smoother process. Mistake number 1, treating social media like your diary. Look, the moment your petition is filed at the Daley Center, your digital life becomes evidence. In 2026, social media is the first place opposing counsel looks. Don't post about your new freedom. Don't check into expensive dinners and never vent about your spouse online. Those private settings won't protect you from a subpoena. The absolute best move you can make when you decide to file? Go dark. Take a sabbatical from posting. Anything you say online can and will be used to question your income, your parenting, or your credibility in a Cook County courtroom. Mistake number 2, making major financial moves based on anger or fear. This is a big one. We often see clients try to drain joint bank accounts, cancel credit cards, or move large sums of money out of spite or fear of being cut off. In Illinois, courts view assets acquired during the marriage as marital property. If you dissipate or hide assets right before filing, the Cook County judges will find out during the discovery process. They do not appreciate games. These erratic financial moves can severely hurt your credibility and may result in the judge ordering you to pay penalties, or worse, awarding your spouse a larger share of the assets because of your conduct. Before you move a dime, consult with counsel. Mistake number 3, using your children as leverage or messengers. This is perhaps the most dangerous mistake, both emotionally and legally. Do not coach your kids on what to say. Do not restrict the other parent's access to the children before a formal parenting plan is in place, unless there is a genuine safety concern. In Cook County, the courts are laser focused on the best interests of the child. Judges look extremely unfavorably upon any parent who attempts to alienate the child from the other parent. In 2026, parental alienation tactics are easier to prove and can absolutely cost you significant parenting time. If you want a fair custody arrangement, you must prioritize being the more reasonable, cooperative parent. Mistake number 4, moving out of the marital home without a legal strategy. It is completely understandable that you want space, and living in the same house during a divorce is incredibly stressful. But simply packing up and leaving before you file can have significant legal consequences regarding who gets temporary possession of the home. Moving out can also complicate your argument for parenting time if you leave the children behind. It establishes a status quo that can be hard to change. If you feel you must leave for your own safety, that is different. But for most strategic decisions, you should first discuss the implications of moving out with an attorney. You need a plan for temporary support and parenting time before you change your address. Finally, mistake number 5. Believing you can DIY a complex divorce just because you agree on everything. I hear it every day. We have an uncontested divorce. We just need help with the paperwork. The standard Cook County simple divorce forms you get online are designed for very specific, low-asset, short-term situations. If you own real estate, have retirement accounts, a business, or complex parenting issues, a DIY approach is a recipe for disaster. The smallest drafting error in your marital settlement agreement can cost you thousands in future litigation to fix a problem that would have been prevented with professional help. In Cook County, the judges expect your final documents to be legally sound. Investing in professional guidance now protects your future later. Divorce in Cook County is complex. The systems at the Daley Center are different from those in Skokie or Rolling Meadows. Avoiding these 5 mistakes gives you a foundation for success. If you are navigating a divorce in Chicago or the surrounding Cook County suburbs, don't do it alone. At law offices of Mitch Furman, we help clients protect what matters most. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more legal insights on managing divorce, custody, and complex property matters in Illinois. Thanks for watching.